Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video we have seen about a spam bot using Python. Today I'll be showing you about Django the framework. So what is the Django framework? So before I tell anything about Django, let me show you the Django website. So what is Django? As you can see, Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development, and clean, pragmatic design built by experienced developers. It takes care of much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. It's free and open source. So Django is a framework by which we can create web applications. Okay, so you can check out their GitHub profile, their Twitter. You can join their group and so on. So to install Django, how do we install it? So this is a Django official GitHub profile, as you can see. So these are all the people who have worked on Django. So some people call it as Django, and some people call it as Django. So that doesn't matter, guys. You can call it either of the way. So now let me show you how to install Django or Django. cmd pip install Django. So it will fetch the Django for us and install it on our PC. As you can see, successfully installed Django 3.1.3 here. So now I'm closing this command prompt, and I'm navigating to the folder where I want to create the Django project. I'll go to that particular folder and open command prompt there. Now I'll create a Django project here using the command django -admin start project name. So I'll give the first project name as hello world. Okay guys, so there should not be any space between hello and world, or you can use a underscore there. By the way, there should not be any space there. Okay, so now the project is created there. Now we'll navigate to that hello world project, this particular folder, cd hello world. Now as we are in this hello world folder, we'll create the app called as first app. Okay, now I'll create it is the same command, django admin start app. You can observe in this particular folder, guys, there is no name called as first app. So now let me write the first app, and the moment I press enter, there will be appear a folder here, guys. There will be a folder here called as first app. As you can see, guys, there is a folder called as first app here. So as you can see, guys, there are few Python files that are already available here. That is admin.py, apps.py, models.py, test.py, views.py in the app first app folder, and similarly in the hello world, that is the project folder, we have init.py, asga.py, settings.py, urls.py, and wsga.py. Also, there is a manage.py folder file here. So we'll obviously be seeing about all these files and how what are these files, what is already there in that file, and what we can write in that particular file and all in the next video. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.